All right, so you hear that click? I don't know if you heard it.
Yeah, I heard it.
All right, so let's see. All right, take a listen again. So it's gonna open. Here it's trying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That gear strip.
Yep, and you see that? It's not opening.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try and get it to open and then leave it unplugged. To give it a little helper, here you go. So we got it to open. We're gonna leave it unplugged. So she's open. And we'll just closing. Good. Now open back up. Come on. Nope. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Come on. Wow. You know, you just love her. That's.
And I can promise you that refrigerator in the back is as clean as a damn whistle as the new one is.
Wow.
Vacuumed it all out, cleaned the coils on it.
Nice.
Okay.
It's an older one? Huh?
What?
Is it an older unit?
No.
Oh, this is it. You're talking about this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This, oh my, 6 or 7 years old.
Yeah, they don't make them to last. Oh, yeah. Alright, so it's open.
No, he knows what he's doing. I'm gonna wear too. I'm gonna start my grill. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Appreciate it.
You need anything else?
No, I have my water. I'm good. I'll let you know once we get this thing done. So this is on a Frigidaire side-by-side unit. You're going to be experiencing high temperature, which is the H, which is flashing. So what we're dealing with, the damper, which is nothing more than a window, it opens at a certain time and then it closes when it needs to. So right now the damper was stuck in the closed position. It was not allowing enough air to be blown over or to be transferred back to the freezer to be cooled and to return, basically. So I will link my other video which shows a little more detail in how to make this repair. But basically what we're doing is keeping 2 screws at the base of the flapper. Use stainless steel screws if possible. And what it's going to do when the damper closes, it has enough room to open back up. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. You don't have to replace the damper. Now, in a situation to where you need to get your fridge up and running, you can just pull that damper, the whole assembly, set it down to the side. Yes, your fridge is going to get really cold, but it's still better than losing your food. All right, you can do that and the fridge will still work. Keep most of the stuff to the bottom, otherwise the top could freeze in the event. All right, I will link the longer video, but this is just to help you out so that at least you know how to get your fridge up and running without having to replace the damper. All right. You can do it before and after by placing your hand in front of the air vent, and you should feel air blowing out. If no air is blowing out and the fridge is running and the freezer is not at temp, then the damper is still closed. Once the unit is running, the damper will blow air. You will feel air as you see I'm checking here, and that's how you know that you're getting proper airflow. Thanks for watching.